Hello one and all. In this video we are dealing with the steps of heme synthesis. Heme synthesis involve 7 steps. First is condensation of glycine and succinyl CoA, which results in the formation of aminoleucinic acid catalyzed by the enzyme ALA synthase. Second is formation of porphobilinogen. ALA dehydratase catalyze this reaction. Third is conversion of porphobilinogen to uroporphyrinogen 3. The enzyme porphobilinogen deaminase facilitates this reaction. Fourth is decarboxylation of uroporphyrinogen 3 to form coproporphyrinogen 3 by the enzyme uroporphyrinogen decarboxylase. Fifth is oxidative decarboxylation of coproporphyrinogen 3 to form protoporphyrinogen 9. Coproporphyrinogen oxidase is responsible for this reaction. Sixth is conversion of protoporphyrinogen 9 to protoporphyrin 9. Protoporphyrinogen oxidase catalyze this step. Last is insertion of iron into protoporphyrin 9 by the enzyme ferrochelatase, resulting in the formation of heme. If you are new on the channel, please do subscribe and share with your friends. Thanks a lot.